you can perform overloading in Python. Okay, and in today's video I am going to tell you about how exactly you can do operator overloading in Python programming. So now in this video we cover topic like redundant methods and how to use them. And now let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. So, in today's class, we are learning about operator overloading in Python, and so now let's learn what are that. Operator overloading is a feature in Python that allow developer to redefine the behavior of mathematical and comparison operators for custom data type. This means that you can use the standard mathematical operators like there are many types of mathematical operator like plus, minus, star, else, and equals to an etc. And comparison operators like ascending, this sign or this sign or this equals to sign or etc. In your own class, just as you would for built-in data types like int, float, or and str. Why do we need operator loading? Why do we need operator loading? And operator overloading allow you to create more readable and intuitive code. For instance, consider a custom class that represent a point in 2D space. You couldn't define a method called add and to add two points together, but using the a plus operator make the code more concise and readable. And like this is one example like you have seen, and like you have pasted this example, so it will give the error obviously. So now how to overload an operator? You can overload an operator in Python by defining a special method in your class. These methods are identified by their names with start and end with double underscore, with start and end with double underscores. Here are some of the most commonly overloaded operators and their corresponding special method. Like this is a method like add, sub, multiply, or many things. Here you can see it. For example, if you want to overload the plus operator, operator to add two instances of a custom class, and you will define the add method. Like this is one example like you have seen like here, and when you will be run it, so here you can see it. It is one example. Then it's important to note that operator overloading is not limited to the built-in operator. You can overload any user-defined operator as well. And this is one example I will be do it. Like here you can see it. When I will be run, so it is coming like 3i plus 5, so it is coming like 6y because 5 plus 3, here you can see it, and 2 plus 1 is 9k, 4i plus 7 15k, and class remain vector. Why it is coming like that? And why it is coming like 3 5 6 whenever I will be write like 7. So into the here it's coming like 7, like I will be tell you 7. Here you can see it, because in here it's like 7. Why 7 is coming? Because I have changed it like here 7, and so that's why 7 is coming like easily and very easily. And here is coming like J J I, and when I change this J to K, sorry, not J to A, and here is a J, here is a J, so I will be erase it and A it, and erase it and A it, and then I will be again run from here, and let's see. So it will giving the error. Why it is giving the error? Let me see it. And sorry, here we can go, and here we will be go A, and then we'll be run it, so it will giving the error where line 13 print vi y1. So here we can do va, So it will giving the error. So not do this, okay. And now I will also doing for the one, and okay, and then it is coming like 7k. And whenever I will be changing like 5,000, and whenever we change 5,000, so it's coming like for one I 5,000 and 5,000 and 5 here is coming like that. So now here you can see it. Operator overloading is a powerful feature in Python that allow you to create more readable and intuitive code by defining the behavior of mathematical and comparison operator for custom data type. You can write code that is both concise and expressive. However, it's important to use operator overloading wisely, as overloading the wrong operator or using it inappropriately can lead to confusing or unexpected behavior. So in today's class, we learn about operator overloading in Python and introduction of operator overloading in Python. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like this video, share friend, and subscribe to my channel. And if you not access my Python playlist, so exit and bookmark it also. And please subscribe my channel and all the notification bell, and please go to the description and follow me in my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And then when you will bookmark my playlist or access it, so whenever I will be upload video, so I will be uploaded on my playlist also. So now I will meet you in next class and next very amazing class of Python. So for today, goodbye.